I'm glad that I attended this workshop on CBT today. This workshop was very informative and very interactive. I'm also fortunate to have met such wonderful people today. I must take this opportunity to congratulate Pallavi and her team for a wonderful work. The workshop was held in a thorough professional way with some beautiful personal touches. I hope I'll be able to implement what all I am taking with me today. God bless you all. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Vipasha Gaur and I'm doing ME Clinical from MIT University. Recently, I had attended a workshop on CBT that was held by Pallavi ma'am. Before than this, I have just read about CBT, but it was the first time that I got a practical experience, and I really feel that nobody else could have made me understand it better or in any better way. Thank you so much for the experience. I loved the workshop.
Hello, I really liked the workshop organized by Pallavi ma'am. Ma'am, you're just amazing, and the workshop was also amazing. And the best part of it was that you taught us the practical aspect of CBT, and it was really amazing. Thank you.
The workshop was really nice. Being a student, I didn't know much about CBT, but Pallavi ma'am taught us really well. It was very informative and very nice. Thank you.
I really liked the workshop and I learned a lot, and I was really looking for the therapy like CBT and RE-CBT, which I want to still see further, because not only to help others but to help my own personal life, and if I can make a difference to others, why not? So I really loved you as our mentor and so many other people who were so positive about it. So it was a lot of exchange of positivity and I really liked it. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. The thought process we have has a very deep impact on our life. The CBT session conducted by Pallavi ma'am makes us aware of how situations can change depending on just our thought process, how our lives can change. The awareness regarding this cognitive behavior therapy makes us more aware of how we can help others and ourselves if found in a situation similar, and we can make our life more productive and happier. It is a must session for everyone who wants to have a more positive outlook towards life. With Pallavi ma'am, the session is really very good, and of course with all the positive vibes. I wish Pallavi ma'am all the very best in her future endeavors. Thank you.
I attended this workshop. I feeling better, and I don't say anything. I feel better and better.
Hello everyone, this is Anita. I like the CBT workshop very much. सभी participants ने बहुत actively participate किया. The workshop was very informative, and हमने theoretically तो बहुत बार CBT पढ़ा है, but उसको practically implement कैसे किया जाए पल्लवी मैम ने बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया. And I'm sure this workshop is going to help me a lot. Thank you, Pallavi ma'am, and all the best.